This is an example of a spending plan for a young family who stay in a 4-room HDB flat based on a single income. This spending plan spreadsheet is available at our website www.finlit.sg. Notice that there is a priority column where you will enter 1 for a need and 2 for a want. In this example, the take-home pay after netting off CPF contribution is $3,000. There is a savings of 10% of the take-home pay. That amounts to $300. We assume that the home loan is repaid entirely from CPF ordinary account, so there is no entry in this item. Assuming conservancy charges of around $62 for a 4-room flat and an annual property tax of around $120, which breaks down to about $10 per month. So $70 is budgeted for this item of conservancy and property taxes. They pay a cash premium for insurance of $2,400, and this breaks down to $200 a month. And after eligible tax relief, the planned annual tax is about $360, which breaks down to $30 a month. Their young children have enrichment classes, and $300 pays for that, including their school fees. They also provide a monthly allowance of $500 to their parents. So all these items are needs, and hence 1 is entered in all these rows. Under transport, this family does not own a car. They set aside $150 for public transport every month. They also plan to spend $100 for utility bills, $10 for the resident line, $40 for their mobile phone plan, and $60 for cable TV and internet. All these again are priority 1 items. Under food and necessities, they spend about $700 a month on groceries, and they plan to eat out 4 times a month at $50 each, so that's about $200. They put aside $50 for clothing and personal maintenance, and $50 for health and medical. Note that only the item for eating out is a want and not a need. They have also set aside $200 for entertainment purposes. This is a priority 2 item. And all these plans total to a spending of $2,960. And this family did an actual tracking of their expenses. They continued to save $300 as forced savings. There was a rebate that month, and they only spent $65 for conservancy and property tax, $200 for insurance. They did not incur any income tax because there was another tax rebate given to them. They continued to spend $300 for their children's education and $500 on allowances to their parents. Public transport increased by $50 from their plan, as there were more trips made that particular month. Under utilities and household maintenance, they managed to reduce their electricity bill to $90 that month. The rest remained the same at $10 for the residential line, $40 for the mobile, and $60 for their cable TV and internet charges. As for groceries, they managed to spend less, and they chalked up only $600 that month. They also ate out less and spent only $100. There was no spending on clothing and personal maintenance items, no health, no medical items that particular month. And they also managed to cut down their entertainment to $100 that month. And their total actual spending that month was $2,565. This gives us a difference of $395, and this adds to the forced savings of $300 that month.